Leprosy is back in Florida. Actually, it's been increasing for a while. What's leprosy? It's something that causes skin deformities. The person loses their eyebrows. Deformed parts become numb. The nerves shut down. Leprosy is ancient. It's described in the Old and the New Testaments. Long term, it causes permanent disfigurement, paralysis, whole body pain. But how does one get it? Well, it's a bacterial illness. The microbe Mycobacterium leprae was discovered by Gerhard Hansen, so sometimes leprosy is called Hansen's disease. It was brought to America hundreds of years ago, probably unknowingly, and somehow the bacteria transferred from humans to armadillos. Armadillos have a low body temperature, and that's ideal for these bacteria. That might be why it likes the skin in humans. This is a really weird bacteria. We sequence its genome, and most of its genes aren't real. They're pseudogenes that don't do anything. People infected can take years or decades to get symptoms, and it can be transmitted through air, but it takes months to years of close contact to transfer it successfully. And we don't know how Floridians are getting it. Maybe the patients kept armadillos as pets, maybe they ingested one. It seems unlikely, but we also know that the bacteria can be transmitted through soil, likely from armadillos burrowing through. We know that the Florida case number increasing is a fairly new thing. This is a map drawn in 2011 showing where all the cases since 1894 have been, and in the 15 years since, Central Florida has gone up more than anywhere else, especially over the last few years. So if you're in the area, you can avoid this by not touching and by avoiding armadillos. And when you work with soil, maybe you're in your garden, wear gloves and long sleeves and wash your hands once you're done. Also, this is very treatable. Multiple antibiotics for an extended amount of time can get the patient to make a full recovery.